Hi, this is Saraman from Lotus Advisory Services. Uh, we are going to see today technical levels for all the commodities. We start with the international gold levels. Gold, as we said in our yearly YouTube videos, break below $1,280 can take the prices till $1,260 to $240. Day before yesterday it has broken the support levels, and currently today and the early morning it has broken the support of $1,260 and again trading mild above that. So we can expect the prices to trade much weaker in a coming week. Now today the prices can be trading levels can be seen around for a $10 mark for $1,260 to $1,270 due to weekend mild profit bookings with newses will come. So in the coming week we can expect prices to break $1,260 and to trade below that to test $1,240. So still $20 to $25 downside is possible to take its strong support around $1,240. So we are mild bearish in gold. The strong resistance is now seen around $1,270. On the MCX levels, prices, as we said earlier, below 28,000 levels it is looking weak. The prices yesterday and day before yesterday tested the low of 27,400 levels, and today it can take some strong support levels, the deciding level around 27,400. So we can expect the prices to trade around 100 rupees for today, between the 27,400 to 500 levels, and more sharp decline can be seen below 27,380 levels, again to test 27,200 to 27,000 levels. So overall, on a weekly basis, on a coming week, both gold and dollar terms and in rupee terms it is weak, but today due to Friday we can expect some range bound moves with some downside levels. Move on to silver dollar. As we said earlier, below 19.3 could test $19 to $18.7. The prices today tested the $19 levels. Now we can see the prices trading around $19 to 19.1, maximum to 19.2 levels on a sideways move. In a coming week, maybe in the later evening, if the news is supported the prices, so we can see a break of $19 could test immediately of the 18.7 and take support there. As MCX, it is trading weak below 42,500 levels. The prices is currently trading around 42,000, which is a strong support. We expect in coming sessions, coming week, we can expect prices to trade below 42,000 to have a sharp decline up to 41,000 to 40,000 levels. Currently the strong resistance is seen at 42,500. But today we can, as with other gold and dollar levels and silver, we can expect the prices to trade around 42,000 to 42,300 levels for now. As copper is concerned, day before yesterday it has broken 427 levels to test this support, but again it is facing some strong support levels around 424 to 425 levels. The copper is now currently it is trading in a non-trading range. We can see the prices is trading around some 2 to 3 rupees, around 424 to 427 levels. For nickel, prices bounced very sharply from day before yesterday. The prices bounced back from 1,130 levels. We already updated that the prices is trading in a tight range for 20 rupees below 1120 to 1150. We have advised earlier that either break would have a sharp upside or decline. So as the prices is broken and ordered above 1150, the prices went up sharply, and today also we can expect prices to hold positive till 1180 to 1200 levels. Overall, the commodity on a weekly basis, daily basis looks more bullish than other base metals. For a lead, Other base metals like lead, zinc and lead, especially lead and aluminum trading mild range bound. The prices yesterday tested a new low around 133 levels again, day before yesterday, sorry. Yesterday it has bounced back to 135 levels. We can expect these the lead prices to continue sideways moves up to 133.50 to 135 levels. Above 135 levels we can expect some positive levels up to 1 or 2 rupees. That's also, there is no much momentum seen in lead as of now. Whereas zinc is concerned, it is holding above the 145 levels. Yesterday also it has went up sharply. So we can expect prices to test to 147 levels, which is the previous high and resistance. So we are mild positive in zinc when compared to lead. So aluminum prices, we can see the prices could trade for a coming sessions also for 3 rupees around 125 to 128 levels maximum. These are the levels which we are going to see in the next coming weeks. Only a break and hold above 129 could see more upside. Otherwise it has to trade around these 2 or 3 rupees for now. Energy sector, crude came down sharply to 5650 levels. Now the prices is trading around these levels. When we see the dollar prices and both the MCX trades identically. The prices is now currently trading around 94.47 currently. Overall, the price range in dollar terms seen around 92.5 to $95. Either a break and close in dollar terms could decide the next moves in MCX also. In MCX we can see the prices is trading around 5650 to 5800, maximum up to the resistance of 5850 for 200 rupees. So today we can expect the prices to trade under pressure below 5750 and more selling can be possible below 5700 levels. Again, not much for target of 5650 only. The prices is trading around these levels and it could continue to trade for another week or another week. And we see natural gas prices drop sharply from 245 to 230 levels yesterday. We continuously updating in our sites messages that below 240 it could test a sharp decline. Now we can see currently prices is trading around 232 levels. We can expect the prices to test 230 and take some very strong resistance around 230 levels. Even it could test 230 and bounce a bit to 235 to 236 levels also. Overall the prices is looking weak. Whereas in news today at 6 p.m. we have very important news of non-farm employment change and unemployment rate, which could have direct impact on dollar, which could give more clue for all the commodities, especially for gold and silver. Around this time, if the morning sessions remains under downside pressure for gold and silver, if the prices, suppose the prices of gold, then we can expect some profit booking on the upper side. So caution advised on gold and silver. For more updates and news, visit our website akshayashiv.com. Thank you.